Young America Insurance debunked auto insurance myths. There are plenty of resources that you can find easily online, or you can simply ask your friends who already have their vehicles insured. When purchasing coverage policies for your auto, the insurance company has to do a lot of paperwork such as documenting your personal data, vehicle model, determining your rates based on the car, many variables, checking your driving record, and more. Each coverage policy also covers many things, and reading all of them can be quite overwhelming. In some cases, you will want to understand everything quickly by asking questions to your insurance agents, neighbors, friends, and anybody you know well. From all the things you have heard about auto coverage policy, some are true while others are merely misconceptions or myths. Some of the most frequently heard myths are listed below. 1. Full coverage includes towing and rental. Full coverage is not a specific type of coverage, but it refers to a bundled option where multiple types of coverage are included. It can be interpreted in different ways, but most companies use the term to refer to minimum liability requirements by the state. It is worth mentioning that the minimum requirements can be different from state to state, so full coverage does not necessarily mean everything is covered, including towing and rental reimbursement. Both of them are simply extras or optional coverage similar to uninsured motorist, vanishing deductible, glass damage, etc. Any optional coverage carries an additional cost. 2. Driving record plays the biggest role when determining rates. While it is true that driving history has its part as a variable in determining premium fee, this is not necessarily the most important one. There are other factors involved in the calculation, such as personal information. This may include age, address, profession, marital status, etc., mileage, and car models. If you are a student, your grades are also important variables, meaning good grades can reduce premium fee. You should know that credit score is also involved. Good credit score means cheaper premium since the company needs to make sure that you have good financial stability. 3. Comprehensive covers everything that collision does not. In general, comprehensive coverage is for any damage that is not caused by an accident. There are plenty of possibilities and causes of auto damage. If the damages caused by an accident are covered by collision, some people think that all other causes of damages are covered by comprehensive. This is totally wrong, since insurer clearly informs what comprehensive coverage covers, including vandalism, natural disasters, flood, earthquake, etc., fire, theft, and hail. So, when your car's gearbox or manifold is broken, you have to pay for the repair yourself. 4. Driving safely certainly lowers premium fee. Good drivers are treated nicely, and there is a big possibility, for example, at Young America Insurance they can lower your rate. If you receive traffic tickets or you are involved in an accident, the insurance firm can ask for the data from DMV. Depending on the types of violation, insurer can easily increase your rate or simply cancel your policy. It is indeed good to drive safe and obey the traffic regulation, but you cannot expect that your premium rates are lowered accordingly. Moreover, you cannot blame the company in case your rate remains the same anyway. Once again, there are other variables involved, such as increasing the cost of repair, more lawsuits, and even regional insurance rate trends. It should not, however, discourage you to stay safe on the road. If driving safe cannot lower the rate, at least it does help prevent the company from increasing the premium fee. 5. Newer cars mean more expensive insurance. Newer does not always mean better or more expensive to purchase and insure. Every auto comes out of the factories with its specification regarding speed, reliability, safety features, luxurious equipment, etc. Some people also install additional upgrades on their car, for example, audio system, satellite navigation, airbags, anti-theft, and more. In some cases, buying used car and insuring it can be very expensive, especially if it is a sport car, classic car, or any luxurious model. Newer cars can be smaller, easier to drive, safer, or fuel efficient. They are good features to help you reduce the premium rate. 6. Smaller cars mean cheaper insurance. Modern autos that are designed to be fuel efficient, environment friendly, and used in metropolitan area for space saving, are usually small. All those features help lower insurance rate, but the insurer also considers the auto prone to being totaled in an accident or a collision. If the small car is also a sophisticated one, the premium can be very high or even more expensive than bigger cars are. 7. Purchasing online is best. Buying insurance on the internet is convenient at its best. If you are purchasing online, you are doing it mostly because you can do everything right at your home. You can ask for quotes free of charge, do a diligent comparison, and take your time before finally making a purchase. All of them are done without you having to move from your chair. All it needs is a computer and internet connection. When it comes to auto insurance, the best deal you can get is when you work with an independent agent, who understands everything better. Independent agent works for you and does all the necessary procedures on your behalf. Even better, the agent can describe everything in details directly face-to-face with you. There are more data and information that you can get from talking with an agent than doing an online research on your own. Missing laptop. If your automobile is stolen or involved in an accident and you find that your items such as mobile phone, CDs, or laptop are damaged or missing, your auto insurer will not pay for your loss. Companies cover the vehicle, medical bills in case the drivers and passengers are injured, and the damages you cause to other cars. All your items stored in the vehicle are not covered, but you can file claims to home insurance company.